Hey everyone, welcome to my new YouTube video, and today I would like to show you how to install Brave browser on your PC or laptop. So let's get started, and the first thing, let's open up any browser. I'll use Mozilla Firefox, and now type in the search box Brave browser. Okay, go to the first site. This is their official website. You can see the URL address right here. And now just scroll down a bit. Oh, and here is the button on which we have to click to install the browser. So let's click on Get Brave. Almost there. And at the top right, you can see that I just downloaded the browser installer. So let's run it. Just click on it and now click on Run. Now we are in the process of installing it, just wait a bit. And that's all, the browser opened by itself when the installation was complete. So on the desktop you can see the Brave icon, you can open the browser by clicking on it. And now you can set Brave as default browser, or you can just skip and import settings from another browser, or again just click on skip and maybe later and finish. So guys, if this video was helpful for you, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you very much, have a great day.